Hi there, welcome to a quick demo of DBT model change functionality using DataPilot. Many times we need to update our DBT models based on business requirements, and this functionality makes the process super smooth and super fast. Say this is customer's model I have in a Jaffa shop project. Now, if you want to make some changes to this, how I can start is I can either select a piece of code from that model, right click, go in DataPilot change, or I can send the entire file also for a code modification going into DataPilot and change by just right clicking into the file. Depending on the piece of code that you send, for example, this DataPilot chat starts once you send it, the DataPilot may end up rewriting the entire piece of code also. So it usually works better for smaller code blocks, but if you're okay changing the entire piece of the code also, you can just proceed. So now for this customer's model, I want to add few additional columns there. So I'm going to give instructions, for example, enhance this customer data analysis by including maximum, minimum, and average spend matrix per customer alongside two new columns, one showing each customer spend as a percentage of total spend and another ranking customers by their spending. So I hit enter. Now the DataPilot will start its processing. It will come back with, hey, I'm going to make few changes. We need to modify the customer payments and final CTEs. In customer payments, we will add the matrix, those minimum, maximum, etc. And in the final CTE, we will add two new columns. Okay. So it had generated the code for those changes. What we can do is we can just take this piece of code and put it in. So how you do that is you can copy this piece from here, customers payments, to final as, select this and replace. And then the last, so we get the display. Okay, so the changes are in, and then we are just going to see the results, what changes are producing. So I'm going to run query preview. And as you can see here in my data preview, there are columns that have been added around minimum spend, maximum spend, average spend, spend percentage, as well as spend rank. So as you can see, adding these columns was super simple, super fast for me. And in this way, you can accelerate your DBT development process. Thank you so much for watching this demo.